Yo guys, what is up? YT Christmas ROBLOX back to y'all with another video, and today we're just going to be playing some Roblox on a new update. Alright, he's gonna set. I actually just bought the 99 one. Right now I have, before I had that much. Now I have only like 1,695 Robux. Nope, bacon no. No, bacon no. Bad boy. Bacon bad boy. I'm gonna get him. He's broken. Alright, we're good to go. Guys, if y'all are odors, please don't be odors, because I really don't like odors, and if y'all watch my video and you're an odor, I don't like it. No, I'm joking. I like y'all. I love y'all. Y'all are my fans. Fans, I guess y'all could say. We are growing on here, actually. That guy is being very, very stupid. Don't even try. Don't even try. How am I a camper? Like how? How am I a camper? How the freak am I a camper? Look at him. He's raging. This guy, he's raging. I think that's him. Nope, it's BTGN. Look at him. He's raging. I don't like raging people. Like Joey the player. I wonder if I could actually play his music, and yeah, I'd rather not do it because I don't want to get my account on YouTube banned or anything like that. So let's not do that. The nitro. Also, about the nitro, you see, you could like fly. I don't want to waste all of it because, I mean, I can buy another one, but I just really want to buy, what's it called? I want to really use the Bugatti, and I could buy the 99 one. So, okay. I want to show y'all how the Bugatti actually works with. Can't, please. Oh, it's Brojimo. Watch. I told y'all. Havana Nana. I hate that. Hop in. Yep, 11. I got 11. I have 11. Use the no clip. Oh, good. Good. Alright, now. Does she have? Nope. Let's do this. Oh, dang it. Let's do this. Let's try this ramp out. Okay, ready. Somebody is trying to add me for no reason. Maybe, I don't know why I should add him. I don't want to add people just randomly. I'm actually cleaning out my friends list right now. If I unfriend you or something like that, I'm sorry. Probably won't unfriend any of my subscribers because, you subscribe to me. Hey, that's live. That's like dope. Go watch User's video. He has like better videos than me, obviously, because he has like obvious. It's just obvious. Okay, just go and watch User's video for all this stuff, like, cause I don't know all of it. Alright, and let's go grab my Volt mic really quickly. Get this guy really quick. Let's play music, my dude. Rage. Did he just rage? No. arrest this guy. Okay, he said please. I won't arrest. Hey, it's Blaziken. I'm just gonna add okay, let's go and do this. Well, with Blaziken, I'm just gonna add him. He hadn't added me actually. I think he blocked me. Okay, he blocked me. It's whatever. Let's go grab the Volt bike, and then I'll show y'all the rest. Come on, let's go. What's actually never mind. I should really like Pixel with my Volt bike, so that's okay, I guess. Hey, this is like the boost. The boost is really cool. Right when I woke up, like I got on my computer to go and check out this new update because I actually want to sleep. I can't just go to bed. I mean, I can't just not sleep because, you know, it's not good for you. So, yeah. Okay, let's go and bust this thing really quick. That helps. Come on. Yeah, that actually does help. Yeah, as y'all can see, the icicles are actually much smaller. You know, because it's, you know what it is. Oh, let's see if we could bust all these people. Come on. Is that Blaziken? Oh no. Alright, I actually want to go and pay this guy back. Let's see if he hadn't added me. Not yet. He did not add me. Let's look. Oh my god, what is that? No. No. Just no. No. No, 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 no. I mean, how much bounty did he have? I feel bad for arresting him, actually. Ramp into here, jump out. Oof. Alright, come on, let him come to the yard. Oh my god, please don't. Please don't put Justin Bieber on. Just, no, please. Alright, just... Tino Gold. Dang, Bacon Man. Is fire. Yo. Here's your money. What the? How is my paycheck 2,400? $2,400. Don't even try. Okay, just come. I'm not gonna, actually I have to. Yeah. 3,800, There we go, buddy. Oh, my bad. Yeah, MP. Right. How much is your helmet? Odor, I don't mess with odors. What the? How did I get those pants on? I hate those pants. Try me. Oh, frick, no, come on. Alright guys, if y'all enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. Turn on bell notifications so you never miss any videos or like something like that. And subscribe. And yeah, peace.